Hello everybody, welcome to Friday. We had a down day today. The S&P 500 was down almost a little bit more than 2.4%. It fell right back to the top of the range that we had established over that 6-week period in this recovery. That range also had a lot of shares traded at that same prices back in 2019 and even back at the end of 2018. So it's got lots of support. Every time it's been hitting that, it's been holding or bouncing back. So we'll see if that continues. Obviously, the market's worried about the virus and the coming of the increased number of positive tests. Today we had a pretty good fall in the banking sector because they increased some regulations there. Luckily, we don't have a huge exposure to the banking sector. All of our targeted indexes today, other than two, did better than the market. And so that's really good. Again, banking was one of those categories that fell more than the market in the big downturn, which was from February 19th to March 23rd. And so we're avoiding those. We have them in our overall broad indexes. We have everything pretty much in there. But we don't have banking, for example, in our targeted indexes. And all of those targeted indexes that did worse are things that I would recommend avoiding. You can make great money kind of bottom fishing and coming in and trying to find, oil and banking and all of these pieces, the airlines and such that got hit very heavily. Usually some of the biggest gains in these recoveries actually come from those areas. The problem is that those industries are still sitting in front of all of these problems. So for example, with banking, there could be a lot of bad loans with high unemployment and businesses filing for bankruptcy and those types of things. So I don't really want to stand in front of that even if there's a possibility of big gains. I'd rather go with the other things that seem to be working. So that's what's happening today. Look forward to seeing what's happening on Monday, and we'll talk about that then. Thank you.